Hey everyone, welcome back to Hungry Forever. I'm Amita and today we're going to be talking about our experience at the Punjabi Dhaba festival hosted by the Ramadan Plaza in Guindy. The festival had a very upbeat, quirky vibe. The entrance was all decked up to resemble a rural Punjabi setup, complete with painted pots, carts and bangles. They also had milestones to places like Ludhiana and Amritsar, which make you feel like you're on a road trip in Punjab, which is just perfect for the Dhaba atmosphere. They really went all out with the ambience. But the food was even better. The meal started off with a glass of cool sweet lassi and some murg shorba soup. There's also a live chaat counter for pani puri and dahi papdi chaat for all you chaat fans. Make sure you don't fill up on all this because you need a lot of space for the Grand Thali. With zafrani pulao and 4 types of Indian breads, you get around 12 lip-smacking sides to pair them with. And apart from all this, there's a salad stand and you can pick up hot oven-fresh breads from the counter too. The thali is sure to fill you up, but there's more. The dessert table is even more elaborate than the thali and features around 24 desserts from Punjab. So we'd recommend walking around a bit after the meal to make some space for dessert. The festival was so detailed and well done, we enjoyed every bit of it. And guess what? The spices, papads and pickles have been brought by Chef Manpreet Singh all the way from Punjab to give the Punjabi food the authenticity it deserves. So our favorites from the meal were the methi paneer and the mutton kebab, which was just the richest, most succulent kebab ever. And of course the creamy lassi, which helps cool down your palate after the meal. So that was our experience at the Punjabi Dhaba festival, and we hope you can also experience the Punjabi fare the same way that we did. We'll be back with other awesome places to eat soon, and meanwhile don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook.